your boy Odin come to you again with another video. We are here on the training ground with the young crocs, you know what I mean? Them out here training, practicing, whatever you want to call it. You know? I don't know, Chris is out here with the trail, as always. National and the flatty. You know what I mean? Yeah man, we're gonna show you in a sec what the cross them going on. Jojo is here, you know what I mean? Yeah man, Jojo. Is it? Yeah man, see there? White slice. White slice, me them know say out here no man. Out here no fear. Richie out here always. Yeah man, yo, the crocs them man.
Hey there, be a man out there, brother.
You see me I say? Yeah man. Yo.
No blood clots in you. Yeah, Washington find the balance in Richie. Me a job by a little no one. This? What all the things
Cut the bush, cut the bush, cut it!
But the next side, next side.
Yeah, fuck.
National, come so. National. Richie, the friend will come there, so. You understand?
Yo, we can use that as a thumbnail. Jojo. Them summoner man.
Yo, national. I like the way out there.
Baja, are you there?
Nah, level that. You know it feel. Yeah.
One stop. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Yeah, do it good away, you know. I'm not here.
Yes, striker. Woo!
Let's see. Stripe legend. Yo.
Come on,
Yeah, pussy look boy. I'm here. Honestly. See you down here. Straight up. Thank you. Alright. They have a car, you need it? Style,
Yo! Yo! Slide. Hold it.
Bye, give me man.
I'm telling you! Let him out! Let him out! Oi, oi, oi! Let him out! The fuck? What do you mean?
subscribe. Oh, yeah, when you ready to bike too hard, it will flood. So you have to take your time, dog.
When it's the first time, draw foot wheelie on a bike, you know. But more practice, you get used to it, you know. Yeah, man. So we're out here with the young crocs, you know what I mean, on the practice ground with Stripe, Chris, and the young crocs them. You know what I mean? We're just out here have fun and enjoy ourselves, you see me? Yeah, man. No harm, no foul. Yeah, man. So I'm going on a scandal bag of thing. You see it? Yeah, man, first time draw footing on a flatty bike. You know what I mean? If you want to see more of that, please to comment and leave a like. And think we get more of these videos done if you want us to. Just comment and tell us what you want to see, or what you would want me to do, or what you would want the stunt truck them to do. So leave a like, comment and share. Yeah, man, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay? Peace.